This jollof spaghetti meal prep recipe is very easy to make. It's just over 600 calories per portion. It has a whopping 49 grams of protein per portion. It is filling and it is very delicious. You're going to love it. Let me show you how to make it. You will be needing 350 grams of skinless, boneless chicken. I used chicken thighs, but you can use any chicken parts that you like. If you are using chicken with bone, you either remove the bone and the skin or use 600 grams of chicken with bone. Remember to remove the skin and all visible fat. I removed all visible fat from the chicken thigh that I used. You will cut the chicken into small strips. This is to ensure that they cook fast because we will be cooking them in a pan. If you are using whole chicken, you will need to cook them in a different way, maybe the usual way you cook your chicken. Transfer the cut chicken into a bowl, and to this I want you to add 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder, ginger powder, curry powder, thyme, and salt. Now give everything a good mix and cover with a cling film. You will be leaving it in the fridge to marinate for 30 minutes. You will be needing 300 grams of bell peppers. You can use any color combination that you have or even use a single color. You will be cutting this into small strips. After cutting, set them aside. Chop 2 small onions and set aside. Grate or mince 8 grams of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. The ginger is about half the size of my thumb. I used 1 green chili pepper for extra heat. This is completely optional if using cut and set aside. Blend together 2 tomatoes, 1 sweet pepper, 1 small onion and Scotch bonnet pepper. Let's start cooking. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan over medium-high heat and add the chicken strips. Arrange them evenly in the pan and leave them to cook on each side for 4 minutes. You want to keep an eye on them so they don't burn. While the chicken cooks, weigh out 200 grams of spaghetti and cook this the way you cook your spaghetti normally until just tender. Remove the cooked chicken from the pan and set aside. Add another tablespoon of oil to the pan, and to this add the chopped onions, and you want to cook this until it becomes translucent and has released its flavor. Add the green chili pepper and cook for about a minute. Add the grated ginger and garlic and cook for another minute. Careful not to burn the garlic. Add a tablespoon of tomato paste to the pan, reduce the heat and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Add in the tomato pepper blend. And add in half teaspoon thyme, 2 chicken cubes and salt to taste. Give this a good mix and allow to simmer for 5 minutes or until the sauce has reduced to half its size. At this point, you want to add the bell peppers and then mix everything together. Allow everything to cook for another 1 minute. You don't want the peppers to overcook, as they should still be crunchy after the preparation. Add in the spaghetti and some of the pasta water. The quantity of pasta water you add will depend on how thick your sauce is. Mix everything together thoroughly so that each strand of the spaghetti is coated in the sauce. Allow to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes so the spaghetti can absorb some of that sauce. Add in the cooked chicken at this point, and I also added some sliced green onions. This is optional. I only did this to enhance the taste and also to improve its appearance. Give everything a final mix and turn off the heat. We are done cooking at this point. Get out 3 of your meal prep containers and evenly divide the spaghetti into the plate. I usually highball this, but if you want to, you can use a scale to make sure there are equal portions of spaghetti in each plate. To make more portions, simply double the recipe. You can find the written recipe on my website. The link will be in the description. This will keep in the fridge for up to 5 days. Just allow it to cool down completely before putting it in the fridge. Each portion of spaghetti contains 70 grams of carbs, 49 grams of protein, 14 grams of fat, and 605 calories. This is not bad at all for a plate of spaghetti. You can easily incorporate this in your weight loss journey. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and also please subscribe if you are not subscribed to the channel yet. I have loads of videos like this coming. Till next time, bye.